Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For my student, before you answer this worksheet or this exercise, please pray before. And for our exercise for today, that's continue that's material about digestion. Continue material from last week. Yeah, from last week in the next week, in the last week, we learn about the along the alimentary canal and the function of or organ of alimentary canal. And now we move to the page. Yeah, we move to the page 90 and about the enzyme. About the enzyme, for number, we start from number 8. This question, this question say, that's way. Oh, I'm sorry. This is about enzyme. Sazia investigate. Sazia investigate the effect of temperature on the action of start digesting enzyme. She tests for activity by taking a drop of the enzyme and start a mixture every 30 seconds and testing it with a reagent to see if the start was still present. And when she tried with a mixture at 0 degrees Celsius, she didn't get a color change after 20 minutes. And when she repeated the experiment at 10 degrees Celsius, it took uh, 11 minutes for a color change, and at 20 degrees Celsius it took 9 minutes, and at 30 degrees Celsius it took 5 minutes, and for at 40 degrees Celsius it took 3 minutes. Yeah, I think you know that's temperature, ya, semakin tinggi semakin cepat atau semakin cepat perubahannya. And for the first question is part A, record Sazia result for the experiment at from 10 until 40 degrees Celsius in a table in a space provide. You please make it the plot. I'm sorry. Yeah, you make it here the table. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a very bad. Yeah, like this. Maybe you can say that's number of to you, yeah, based on your creation, because I have a ruler here, and you can write here the temperature. Yeah, there's a temperature, and you can write here about the time. Nah, like that, my student, if you that have instruction of question to make the table in space provide like this. Yeah, and now we move to the next questions. Yeah, for part B, Sazia looked at her result and identify a trend. What trend do you think she saw? That she can see. Yeah, Sazia looked at her result and identify a trend. I think you can have the conclusion that you say that relates about the temperature and the time. You can make it the simple sentence here. Apakah semakin ini semakin apa, like that, if the based on the time and the temperature. What's the increase or decrease if the we have the temperature is low or high temperature, that's time is increased or decreased. And for the part C, using this trend, Zazia made a prediction about how fast the starch will be break down at 50 degrees Celsius, suggest what Sazia predict. Yeah, suggest what Sazia predicts. Like if we put, because from the Sazia, from Zazia only until 40, only 40, yeah. So for my student, you can write here that your opinion or your suggestion, how many times if the Sazia break down or the starch put at the temperature 50 degrees Celsius. You can write here how many times here. And for the part D, when Zazia tests the enzyme and start mixture at 50 degrees Celsius, she found it took 10 minutes for the start to break down. This is like only hypothesis, yeah. That hypothesis like it's not real, it's not true, just only opinion to take if the sasia mixture at 50 degrees Celsius, she found it took 10 minutes, yeah. And how did her result compare with her prediction? And now we move to the part E. Plot a bar graph Sassia result for the experiment at 10 until 50 degrees Celsius. You can make it the plot. Okay, I'm continue. Yeah, I'm continue for this. We make it the, I'm sorry, that's my connection. That's for the part E, plot a bar graph Sassia result for the experiment at 10 until 50 degrees Celsius. Please make it the graph like for the, this is the for temperature, make it the letter that for 10 is 11, yeah. That's I think 11 here. You can write the 11 here maybe. Yeah, and then for the this is only the prediction from me, yeah. That's 20 is like here, and please make it the graph like this. Up to you, that's how to if until make it the until 50, yeah, 50 degrees like that, my student. And please we move to the next. This is part A, F, which two statement that enzyme that true. If you say true, you can tick, and if you say that's false, you can sign. Okay, that's my explanation, my student. I say thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.